In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one-to-many relationship in Microsoft Access 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link two tables so that one record on the one side connects to multiple records on the many side, which is essential for clean, reliable data. First, open Microsoft Access and load the database you're working with. Before you make any changes, close any tables that are currently open. Access won't let you change relationships if a related table is open, and closing them prevents locking issues and ensures your changes apply correctly. Next, go to the Database Tools tab at the top and click the Relationships button in the Relationships group. This opens a visual window where you define how your tables connect. If you don't see the tables you want to link, click Show Table on the Relationships Design tab. In the dialog that appears, double-click the tables you need to include in the relationship so they're added to the canvas, then close the dialog. You should now see each table box with its list of fields. Now, identify the primary key in the table on the one side. It's usually marked with a small key icon and uniquely identifies each record. Click that primary key field, drag it over to the matching field in the many side table, and drop it on the foreign key. The data types of these two fields must match for the relationship to work. For example, if the primary key is a number, long integer, the foreign key should also be a number, long integer. If Access shows an error here, double check your field types and any existing data that might violate the link. When you drop the field, the Edit Relationships dialog opens. Take a moment to confirm the correct tables and fields are listed. It's worth verifying this carefully now to avoid problems later. Check the box labeled Enforce Referential Integrity. This is highly recommended. It prevents orphaned records, making sure you can't add a related row on the many side unless a valid one-side record exists, and it blocks deletes that would break the link. Click Create to establish the relationship. You'll see a line appear between the two tables in the Relationships window indicating the connection. Typically, Access shows a 1 near the primary key side and an infinity symbol near the foreign key side to represent one-to-many. Finally, save the relationship layout by clicking the Save icon, or simply close the Relationships window and confirm when prompted. That's it. Your one-to-many relationship is in place and ready for queries, forms, and reports.